Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about something that I've noticed. Sibanda. Yeah, I did say I'm going to do a video about him, Jadrata Baloyi. Let's talk about that in this video. Before we do that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Now, let's get into this channel because I don't know if you guys have noticed or it's just me. Tell me if it's just me, I'm seeing my own things. But did you notice that today it was Sibanda who was responding to whatever that was being asked? Have you noticed that Ubaloyi seemingly uthathe umhlala phansi, he's like, and easy. Maybe he's gonna come, or maybe Ubaloyi is gonna come when it's accused number 3. Or he will gauge the witnesses and see ukuthi kuzoba ubani and then decide ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani. What's going on? Did you guys notice that? Let me drink water. Remember, I did say that I'm drinking water from this bottle because I want to make sure that I drink enough water. Now, sorry. I want to ask you, did you notice that today the person who was responding to the judge, it was the doctor? Does that mean Undanzi also is going to go through under the doctor, or Monday when we come back, things would have changed? Have you noticed? Is it possible that because Ikamal Baloyi have come out a lot, Baloyi decided, I don't know who's going to come. And if they've managed to speak about me, let me be sitting down like this. Is that why? I don't know. Did you notice that Ubaloyi decided, and Ubaloyi, and then Ubaloyi nje behleli phansi nje. Ujudge Rata is so nice to Usibanda. Ujudge Rata Mukwahleng is so. Ujudge Rata usually he used to be so annoyed with Usibanda. He had zero patience for Usibanda. But right now, Ujudge Rata is very nice with Usibanda. Am I reading too much into that? Okanye Ujudge Rata decide to learn I need to be patient with the young man and give him a break. What's going on there? Kwenzekalani lapho? Kwenzekalani? Okanye is it because Ikamal Baloyi had been coming up a lot? Kabo Gwabini, uGwabini was even ungalinge nje wena, ungalinge wena, awungitsheli lokho. Uningi nje engakusho ngawe wena uyi-1. Nina noyi-2. Do you think Ubaloyi, after what happened between him no Gwabini, he was like, ish, angifuni nje laba bafana mina babe bementionana nebitso lami? Do you think that's the situation? Okanye kwenzekalani? Okanye Ubaloyi is too calculative. He's like, dude, akusahambanga kahle ne, akuhambi kahle. And ke manje mina ngifuna ukuhlala phansi kube nguwe. Angazi izokumsiza entwenini ukuthi ayiyeke manje icase. Izomsiza kuphi? Okanye let's wait and see if Ubaloyi is ever going to get up again. Okanye uzonika uSibanda all the way up. Uzoyenzekalani? Ngicela ni-note nani lonto leyo. And also note behavior ka-Judge Rata. If you think I'm lying, please go back to when Judge Rata used Judge Rata used to treat Usibanda when it was tried within a trial episode. I choose 1 and 2. Please go check there. Judge Rata was irritated with Usibanda. And come back and tell me lana kwi trial unjani. Benjani last week towards Usibanda, how he treated Usibanda. Ngicela ningibukise nje ngingumuntu wespecs mhlawumbe ngenzeka ngiboni kahle, but wena ubonani when you are looking into that? Sesiyazikhulumela nje, siyazikhulumela. Uyabaleka Ubaloyi. Ujudge Rata is playing nice because rescue services needs to be put in place, and someone thinks that I'm being given an opportunity to grow. That time, someone deep end in the ocean, deep end in the ocean. But because you are arrogant, you can't even someone see. You can't even see ukuthi, hey, siphakathi within. The situation is more like Titanic kind of vibes. Umuntu akaboni nokuthi siku-Titanic. I don't know if niyangikhetha na. Isimo sesika-Titanic, mara umuntu angafuna ukubona ukuthi siku-Titanic la. Kosinda, hey, kosindo sindayo. Umuntu akaboni nokuthi siku-Titanic la. And akuna-Jack la. Akuna-Jack la nozosave intombi yakhe adibene nayo kwistimela, kwinqanawe. Akuna-Jack la who's gonna save intombi yakhe adibene nayo kwiship. Someone please tell that one ukuthi la vula lana uvule nalana ungaziboni ngososithi ifafa ipapa ifafa. Hayibo lumka. Someone needs to tell him ukuthi wake up. Akuna opportunity eziswa kanje kuwe ukuthi stand up, show us what you've got. No, why angazibuzi why inkanyamba iseyidlula kumu amaphiko iwahlise kanje sesikhona ukukhuluma kahle. Why yakusuta inkanyamba wena? Uyayazi inkanyamba mayise iubetha umzila kube kubi from KZN to Eastern Cape kuphela. Mase iphuma kwiJozini Dam inkanyamba ithi iyokhangela indoda yayo. Uyayazi inkanyamba mase iphuma kwiJozini Dam ihambe iyodlula yenzenze iyenje nje Eastern Cape ivukuze ishiye. Someone must please tell. Inkanyamba is about to come out of the water. Izawuphuma this side inkunzi yokhangela imanzi okanye izawuphuma yokhangela inkunzi mara ihlala kwiJozini Dam. Kunamadama la eMzantsi engamelanga ungene kuwo, ungamelanga udlule kuwo nasebusuku. Akubuya makuyiwe kuwo. Angazi ukuthi niyandiva na ukuthi ndizama ukuthetha isintu la. Kodwa kunamadama la ongamelanga kuyiwe kuwo. Andiyazi ke. But andiyazi uba niboneni. I was just saying masiyijongeni le situation. Because angikhumbuli mina omunye enice kulo. Lo uthi banginikeze opportunity. La. Azawutsha kona kamadamana amanzi inkanyamba kwafuneka iphumile somewhere else. Izawuphuma inkanyamba. Anyway, guys, wena ubone ntoni? What do you think is happening there? Kodwa yona into eyenzeka ikhona noba yintoni na iyenzeka into eyenzekayo. Nama nditsho bakwathini qha ndiyabuza ba nibone ntoni? What did you see? What was your understanding? Kodwa something is happening there. Ikho nto eqhubekayo pha anyway. Thana sanibona nizova ngani kodwa time will tell. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.